Hello again and welcome to Yeah, Sweat and Cheers. I'm Darlene, Exercise Queen, and we're here to do the fourth exercise in the series of 5 easy exercises for the beginner to help you get started in your program for exercising, getting your body toned and ready for the end of this year, the beginning of next year, and the summertime. You'll be ready to go to the beach or wherever you want to go and feel good. So this one is called the Eagle Twist, the Eagle Waist Twist. So we're just going to put our arms out like this and we're going to twist our body back and forth. This exercise will help your waist, your hips, your thighs, your back. A good portion of your body will be get benefit from this particular exercise. So we're going to do this for 1 minute and we're going to start now. Here we go. Keep your arms as straight as possible and twist as far as you can. Just do your best. Okay, keep going if you can. If you get tired, stop. Please listen to your body. Eagle waist twist. Now that you have completed exercise number 4, relax for about 15 to 20 seconds. And we'll get ready to do the next exercise. In the meantime, I want to applaud you. I appreciate you coming in to this exercise program to work on yourself, do something good for yourself, and you'll start feeling better. Your body's going to feel good. Your mind is going to be better, and you'll have a better life, I believe. So anyway, God bless you. I love you. This is Darlene, the Exercise Queen.